back to my channel. I'm doing another collab, and this one I'm excited about. I was invited to do it, and this idea was originally, I guess, originated. originated. Say that 3 times fast. But anyways, it was originated by Cherice's Pieces. So Cherice from Cherice's Pieces and Trish from QuiltyMom Molly, and they came up with this great idea. And they did it, I think, 1 month so far, maybe 2 months. And their idea is to keep adding every month and sometimes use the same people, maybe add some new faces, but always kind of change it up where you'll have like them, but maybe me again or somebody else or whatever. But anyways, it's a really cool idea. And so what it is, it's the Etsy swap. So what we did was we were all given a different name from the different people in the collab, and we had a $25 limit, and we had to go to Etsy and shop for that person and send them a gift. Okay, so the person that I was given was actually Tia Marie. So some of y'all probably a lot of y'all know Tia Marie. But anyways, so if you go to her video, she'll be doing the unboxing for what I sent her. And Trish actually got me, which is really cool because she's one of the originators of this. So if anybody knows how to do it right, it's going to be her. So I'm very interested in what she got me. But what you had to do was you had to contact Etsy or not contact Etsy, get on Etsy, find something for the person within the $25 limit, send it to the person. And the whole point is to not only give somebody something, but to shout out some of the Etsy companies and give them a spotlight and show the different, companies and what they do on Etsy and show some love to them as small businesses. So anyway, my business is called KWP Jewelry Creations, okay? And it looks like they're in Long Beach, Mississippi. I never knew Mississippi had a Long Beach, but hey, Long Beach, Mississippi. So KWP Jewelry Creations. I am super excited to see what you guys create and why Trish decided to shop with your company and send me something. So I'm super excited. So I'm going to open it up. As y'all can see, it's still sealed. So here we go. And of course the lawnmower started going right behind me. So just ignore it. I'll talk louder than the lawnmower. Okay. So, looks like there's a letter or something in here. So I'm going to open it up. It says, I'm a Gina in a bottle. Enjoy, Trish. So, I'm a Gina in a bottle. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so this I think tells me what it is. Okay, all right. I didn't want to read too much of it because I want to be surprised. So this is what was in there. Let me make sure I got everything. Yes, I did. So are we ready? This is my gift. Super excited. Okay, so it looks like they're in bubble wrap. All I see is some color in there. Oh, it's earrings. I love me some earrings. These are so pretty. Oh my God, Trish. Those are beautiful, guys. Do y'all see they're like pink and they're like roses. Do y'all see that? I'm so sorry about the lawnmower. It's just perfect timing, right? Look, oh my God, those are gorgeous. So this company, KWP Jewelry Creations, y'all are amazing. Those are stunning. I can't wait to see what the next item is. So let me see. I'm going to open both of these. But that's what they look like. Silver and pink with the little roses in there. Oh, I love them. They're so pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh, these are pretty too. Look at that. Guys, tell me I'm not gonna be the shit when I wear these. Oh, those are so pretty. This is so me. Like anybody that knows me, I love like hoops or dangly earrings. These are so pretty. Thank you so much, Trish. You did a great job. These are gorgeous. She kept saying, have you opened it? Have you opened it? And I'm like, no, I haven't filmed yet. And I wanted to open it so bad, but I was like, I gotta wait till I film. So it's authentic and real. And oh my God, they are so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. It says, unique long rainbow vitrail genie or perfume bottle glass. Oh, so it's supposed to be like the genie. Okay. So genie or perfume bottle glass. That is so pretty. And then the other one says pink flower round glass beads with lavender and silver, and then it cuts off. But that is gorgeous. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but it's like literally like little roses or little flowers. That's stunning, guys. So if you are interested in this seller on Etsy, I highly recommend it. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Like, I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but in person they are so pretty. Like, anyways. So KWP Jewelry Creations. So please look them up. Please also tell me in the comments below what you think of these earrings. I think they're stunning. Thank you so much, Trish. And tell the company below what you think of their products, because I think they're beautiful, and I'm sure she'd love to hear feedback. I believe the companies are probably going to be looking at our videos too, just to see what people think. So show her some love. I think she did an amazing job. All right, guys. Thank you so much. That's my video. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video.